Caravan magazine's 2018 award for Best Lightweight Caravan for Families was won by this model, the Caravelair Antares 406. It's a new model introduced for 2018. Caravelair caravans are made in France and imported to Britain by the Marquis Group. The compact 406 has an MTPLM figure of just 1150 kilos, but this 4-berth didn't win its award simply because it's one of the lightest caravans on the market. Its cleverly designed layout played a part, and so did its level of equipment that includes the Truba Combi 6 heating system, a barbecue point, and even an external shower point. The 406's cleverly designed layout gives you a dining lounging area at the front, plus a second dining area for two on the off side, which transforms into bunks. This area feels quite separate from the lounge, which is a considerable achievement in a small caravan. Every aspect of this caravan is compact, including the shower room. A curtain tracks around the shower area, but you'll still have to dry out the shower area after each use. That's little hardship though, considering all that the 406 achieves in its compact size. Two beautifully designed very bright spotlights are on long flexible stalks, mounted on the underside of the locker which runs above the table area. It's a cosy, secluded little sleeping environment. The upholstery sections are extremely light in weight to lift up, but that doesn't compromise comfort. They really do feel quite cosy. And 4 of the biggest cushions you'll find in any caravan are here to enable you to nestle into the corners. Pop your coffee mugs on the little hinge-up table, or fold it flat against the wall so that the whole of the U-shaped seating area can be used. The choice is yours. Considering the size of the caravan, storage capability is impressive, including in the kitchen. And we love the design of the hob. It's unique to Antares, with 2 burners and a mains hot plate. What's special here is that the pan trivet only covers the burners, so there's plenty of space around the hot plate, enabling you to use large pans on it. The new 406 is outstanding in its category. Its layout is practical for a young family. It's towable by a relatively small car. And above all, it's very affordable. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the logo in the corner.